Guys, I'm going to make an apple crisp on my Traeger Woodridge Pro. This recipe is so simple, super quick, extra delicious. And I am telling you, if you own a Traeger, you got to give this one a shot. It mainly consists of two parts, the filling and the topping. Let's start by preheating that Traeger to 350 degrees and make that crisp topping. We're going to go in with 1 cup of honey bunches of oats, then 3/4 of a cup of flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of cold butter sliced into small cubes. We're going to mix all that together and just set it aside. Next, we're going to make that filling. I used 8 apples of honey crisp. And man, we peeled, sliced those up, and mixed it together with half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a pinch of salt. That was difficult to ring off. Holy cow. Okay, we're going to get all that wang jangled together. You can see it right here in my bowl. We're making sure all those ingredients go together naturally. And look, if you need me to run through them again, just check that description below. I'll have everything listed, the entire step-by-step process. But the main thing here is we really want those apples coated in all that sugary goodness. Oh, buddy, make sure everything is mixed together beautifully. Then get yourself a little baking dish. I'm using mine by the Rock cookware, and I'm just going to make sure to put all those apples right into the bottom and evenly distribute them. Next, probably obvious, but we're going to come back through with that crisp topping, and we're just going to kind of get it ready to sprinkle over top. What's really important here is that you evenly distribute it. You don't want like mounds of this topping on the top. Make sure it's level. That's going to be super helpful. Then we're going to go out to the Traeger Woodridge Pro. This part's super simple. We've already preheated it to 350 degrees. You just set it on. That easy, guys. Wait 45 minutes. Give it a quick check. At this point, it's looking beautiful, but we want a little bit of bubbling around the edges. So I'm going to let this sit for 5 or 10 more minutes, then pull it off. And here we are. I'm going to hit it with a final glaze of Stingin hot honey cocoa edition. This is going to be absolutely spectacular. We still get that barbecue sweet heat that I love, but with a little bit of cocoa in there. It's perfect, guys. Man, oh man. This little dessert was spectacular. I just got my Traeger Woodridge Pro, so I'm so excited to learn that I can make desserts on it now. I mean, this apple crisp was to die for. This is like a 3-minute recipe, guys. It takes no time at all. You know what's up. Barbecue for life. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. You got to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Comment below what you want to see me cook next. And guys, I'm just going to leave you with this final little drizzle. Thanks again for watching. Take care and stay safe.